at cruise terminal. Since Kenya started to allow for crew change, close to 10 ships are said to have had crew change taking place at the port of Mombasa.
Tonight, police in Mombasa are seeking public assistance to arrest yet-to-be-identified thugs who shot dead an MPESA agent lady on Friday. This comes even as the family of Winnie Ombese, the lady who was shot, demands justice for yet another soul lost in the hands of gangsters with illegal firearms.
On Friday, the 7th of August, along Moi Avenue in Mombasa town, one Winnie Ombese had just arrived at her place of work and decided to visit the nearest bank to make cash deposits before starting her day's business. Neighbors tell us just a few meters from her place of work is where the 25-year-old MPESA agent lady met her death, apparently caused by armed gunmen.
Hali yake tulipomwona alikuwa amejawa na damu, alikuwa amelala.
So I decided to ask one of the security guards that were around about the situation of my wife. So on asking him, he just made an inquiry from me, asked about the names of my wife, which I did tell him. And then on hearing the names, he asked about the nature of the work that my wife does. And then I told him that my wife works with an MPESA that deals with some banking agencies. And then he told me what you're looking for is a dead body that was shot.
This CCTV footage which captured the unfortunate happening shows Winnie leaving her shop. Immediately, a motorbike with two men arrives. One armed man alights, targeting Winnie's handbag. In the process, Winnie tries to defend herself by running away. It is believed that at this time, the thugs sensed danger, hence shooting Winnie dead and robbing her an unknown amount of money.
We did come to the morgue, where we did a post-mortem exercise, and it was confirmed that Winnie succumbed to death out of a gunshot.
And now the question that lingers in the minds of the family is how a dangerous weapon like an AK-47 rifle can be in the hands of armed men who have the freedom to roam around freely and kill.
On my concern, what I know that an AK-47 gun is always owned by the government. So it is indeed shocking that a civilian can own an AK-47 gun.